Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new death clocks for your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first you have to download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. Simply download, and before open this app, first disable your system lock screen. Disable your system lock screen clock. Look at this, simply select adaptive clock font and set complete theme and set color in complete low transparency. Look at this, my lock screen clock is disable. Now simply open this app, select your date of birth. After select, simply tap on next. Guys, look at this. After open this app, many beautiful death lock screen clocks on this app. Look at this preset beautiful themes. Simply select anyone, tap on set as wallpaper and simply set on lock screen. Look at this new death clock enable on your Galaxy device. Guys, let me show you unique lock screen clocks on this app. Simply scroll. And guys, look at this 3D lock screen clock. Simply tap on set as wallpaper. Tap on set and lock screen. Look at this new 3D lock screen clock also enable on your Galaxy device. Guys, unfortunately, these custom options are locked because this is pro options. So guys, you also enable these new death clocks on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.